What's up guys, it's your boy here, Joshua C, and today I'm going to unbox something that can make you take control of your time well, increase your daily productivity and also style up yourself. Yep, that is the latest realme watch. So once you take it out of the box, you see a classy 1.4-inch rounded corner square shape, 320 by 320 pixels colored LCD touchscreen that looks vivid and nice. There's a side power button and also removable 20mm silicone wrist strap that is super thin, which has a variety of green, blue, red and black color. Well, it caught me off guard with its lightness when I took it out of the box because it only weighs at 31 grams. It almost feels like nothing is on your wrist when you wear it on. Now, the realme watch comes with 12 personalized watch faces for you to choose from according to your mood and also your daily styles. It also comes with a 3-axis accelerometer and a heart rate sensor that can monitor your heart rate in real time 24/7. That will alert you when your heartbeat goes too high or too low. And if you're doing high intensity workout routines, there's also an SpO2 sensor to keep track of your blood oxygen saturation level to avoid any health issues. Speaking about workout routines, the realme watch also features 14 types of sport modes, from walk mode to badminton and even yoga mode for you to choose and to get the accurate sports data each time you work out. Furthermore, it also will keep an eye on your daily needs, such as reminding you to stand up or move your body when you are sitting too long, to drink sufficient water with the water drinking reminder, track your sleeping quality with the sleep monitor, and also there's a meditation exercise for you to keep yourself well relaxed after a stressful day. So since it's an all-rounder smartwatch, don't get fooled by the lightness of the realme watch because the display is built from Corning Gorilla Glass, which can withstand 7 kg of tension. It also has IP68 water resistance, so you won't have to worry about cracking the glass after knock on your dumbbells, or taking it off while washing your hands, or showering it with you after a sweaty day. As for the battery life, with the 106mAh battery, it can last me around more than a week of usage with my daily workout routines. Other than the workout modes, the realme watch also can be the ultimate smart control center, allowing you to control all your smart devices at home as well as your music player. You can even set up a great picture angle all by yourself and use the camera control to capture a picture without even the need to touch your phone. You can also receive all the notifications right on your watch, from WhatsApp messages to TikTok notifications. And not to forget, you can check and save all your health data from the realme watch on the realme Link app. You can also check out more detailed data of your workouts, heart rates and even your sleeping quality that shows your sleeping pattern, whether you are a light sleeper or a heavy sleeper. So for the price of 299 ringgit, the realme watch is really a good looking smartwatch with all the features you need that is worth the price for. But we do have to nitpick that the bezels around the display, especially on the bottom screen with the realme logo on, are quite thick. So that's all for today. Let me know what you think about the realme watch in the comments below, and remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to catch our latest gadgets review. I'm Joshua C. See you next week. Ciao!